Right, today we're doing my mate's wheels. Take two if I'm honest. Yesterday we did it and it turned out more like this, the silver. I think we baked them for a bit too long. What we were doing yesterday is we were gassing them off, they were cooling, then we were putting the powder on, we were letting the wheel get up to temperature in the oven, then timing 20. It was just burning the paint really, I think. Turned it this Ironade beige. So today we've put them in the oven, let the wheel get up to temperature, bring it out, put the powder on hot, and it almost flows out as you're putting it on. We stick it in the oven for 12 minutes and you can see it's come out, well, silver. So we'll pause it here, we'll take the other one out of the oven, we'll coat it and we'll show you how we do it when it's hot. And I think this is the process I'm going to be using for wheels. It's just because there's so much alley in it, it takes too long to get up to temperature from cold. So we'll flick over now. So what we're doing now, getting it straight out the oven while it's hot. We'll hang it up, then we'll get the powder on straight away. Now we're going to stick it straight back in the oven. Time 12 minutes. Right, this is the next wheel. Looks silver, but from different angles, it's almost like, I don't know if it's something we're doing wrong or that's the colour of the powder coat. If you know, leave it in the comments. We'll see what the next wheel turns out like. Last one's just come out. I think we've got the cooking times down to a T now. It looks silver here in the shade. Take it outside, it looks more grey. I'm convinced it's the powder, not anything that I'm doing wrong. I'm baking the wheel for about 15 minutes. Get it up to 190 degrees, take it out, put the powder on when it's hot, put it in 15 minutes, and then this is what you see in here. And you know, it's flowing out nice. You know, you always get a bit of fucking orange peel with powder coat. But let's see. Silver, not silver, you make your mind up. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.